Hi there, what's your name?
Fritz.
Fritz?
Yep.
Hi Fritz, I'm Lori.
Lori.
You grab where I'm not supposed to. Oh, okay.
I just have to hold it for you.
Wow, look at this. Oh, I love all the woodwork.
It's all good. I apologize for the mess.
Oh, no, you live here.
Mine too.
Yep, same here.
Yep. So.
Wow.
So how long ago did you convert it?
I started in April.
Wow, you've done a lot of
Really? In
Finished
April?
October.
Wow.
I'm impressed. Less than a year.
That's working at least 4 hours a day, every day.
Oh, you put a commercial sink
Look.
basin in.
Yes.
The wash sink.
Oh, yeah.
So smart. Instead
Yeah.
of putting like a regular kitchen sink in.
Yeah, and those
Yeah,
are nice and
yeah,
light,
too small.
too.
Yeah.
Nice and light. Got shelves. I like the
Yeah,
little...
we drilled those out.
Yep, to put your things and look at, he's got a stove.
Wood stove. Is that that's not the mini cub, that's the bigger one?
That's the cup.
That's the cub?
Oh,
Okay.
look at how cute that is.
That's what I want to get for my room.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, I love the woodwork. Got a nice big sleeping area. That's
Yeah. Big
fantastic.
bedroom.
Yeah.
That was requirement.
that was
since I was doing my
mandatory.
living room as well.
And this is the bathroom.
Yep.
Composting toilet.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Compost there.
Oh, I like your little your window in there. Gives you light, but your privacy too.
Yep.
Very cool.
And,
Yeah, you did enough.
I have it hidden.
You've got. Oh, nice.
Hidden
Look at this,
pantry.
Rav.
Oh, it slides out, the sliding pantry?
Yep. Yeah, I just
You
built it.
Wow.
Just built it out of.
Yeah, it's wider than this.
Nice.
So you got rollers on the bottom of it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
I
what I
got,
was just going to ask too. Nice. There
Yeah,
you go.
Full-size apartment refrigerator,
Correct.
Yeah.
which runs off 12 volt.
110.
It runs off 110. So you just run. That's why you got your generator running.
No, I got my generator running because I ran out of power,
Okay.
Oh yeah, the sun kind of
Yeah.
and I haven't gotten the.
is not
haven't
being
finished
nice
the
to
solar
us.
yet.
And your
Is this water
hot water
heater?
is on demand.
On-demand water heater. Yep.
Nice. Wow. Turn the invert. There we go.
Yeah, you did an amazing job on this.
Thank you.
Really nice. Diesel?
Yep.
Yes.
These Cummings or
I wish.
Cat?
No, I wish. It's got a Mercedes.
Nice.
Oh, does it? Okay.
Nice wood
Little
floors.
tiny Mercedes engine. I hate it.
But you probably get great fuel mileage.
8.5. It's 20,000 pounds. I get 8.5.
Pretty cool. I'm gonna let my husband come in and see it.
Yeah.
Let's take the dog. Very cool. Here, let me have her so you can go in. No, there's the shop. How big is your shop again?
It's a 7 foot by 8 foot
7 by 8.
with a 6 foot ceiling.
Very nice. Nice. And you are from Alaska?
Born and raised in Alaska. I built the bus in Alaska.
Wow. So he built this out really quick, like April last
months.
year.
Oh my God.
April to October.
Awesome.
Pretty awesome. Well, thank you so much again for letting us come through.
No
It's
problem.
really nice. Like it. It's windy,
Yeah. We can
and I don't have a
You know,
a wind muff on it. So here we go. So you have a YouTube channel, and what is it?
it's Fritz Christian, Fritz Christian, well, like the religion.
Mm-hmm.
And the little picture, I don't remember what that's called, but it's the nose of the bus. So it's
Oh,
not
okay.
happiness.
Cool, awesome. We will look for you. Thank you so much, and we'll
Thank
give
you.
you one of our cards so you can find your video on there.
Cool. Thank you.
Thanks, Fritz. John and Jean.
How you doing, Lori? Tom? Nice to see you.
We were walking down the road and these nice people pulled over. Whoops, let's see if we can see us. These nice people pulled over and said, hey, Tom and Lori. And it was like, yeah, hi. So cool to meet you guys. Well, a van is coming. So we are down there all the way to the right. If you turn where the Bohemian sign is, the bright green one, and follow it all the way down to the right, we're down at the end. Okay? Great to meet you.
Quick, lean in here. He's going to take a picture.
Oh.
Quick, as far as you can.
You ready?
Okay.
Yeah, over here.
You got it?
3.
Cool. Thanks, Rad. Thanks, you guys.
I got it.
What's your YouTube channel?
I'm Joey with Our Mobile Backpack.
Awesome. Do you have one?
Roadhound Adventures.
Cool. It was very nice to meet you.
Thank you.
And you guys got one yet?
And these are our
blog.
these are our buds. We actually met you guys at the RV Dreams Rally in Pahrump. We actually, Steve and Denise came over to see us yesterday.
I'm not sure who they are.
Steve and Denise were the couple that Steve backed in. We were all getting together, and he backed in right in front of everybody and parked and came and partied.
The trainer guy.
They were from Arizona or something.
Yes.
Yes. Yep. Wow. So their Grand Design thingy is over there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh wow.
Yep. So they came over last night. We're gonna go see them after a while.
Cool.
So.
Want to tell me your blog?
Yeah. What's your blog?
Imagine our rvdreams.blogspot.com.
That's a wrong one. She's good.
Okay. Is it spelled out?
All the way out. Imagine our RV dreams.
So OUR.
Is it dreams? Dreams.blogspot.com.
Okay. Well, we'll try and find it and put the link in the video below. So Sarah's friend Steve has this really awesome drone. Yeah, it's only $6,000 or whatever. Movie makers use these kind of drones. Look, he's got like a VR little thing.
So I'm just getting this little guy booted up so you guys can have a first-person view of what the camera sees. Technically, I can let you control the gimbal and stuff like that on this drone. The Mavic, you can actually control the drone based on your head.
Oh my gosh, that would be scary.
Pretty cool.
Go ahead,
Wants
Tom.
the view? Anybody?
Tom.
Why are you giving it to
Sarah
me?
doesn't want to.
Because I'm videoing.
Oh, jeez.
So you get
I
to.
got the X4S camera on here, so we're doing 4K
Oh, I may have to.
at 60. Oh yeah, Hat's gonna have to.
Turn around back.
And you can still wear your glasses, right?
Oh, I don't know.
You can still wear them.
Okay.
They should fit in there.
Oh, good
You
lord.
might be hitting menus on the side there. Do you see the picture?
Yes, I do.
All right. Start up. Paraglider's back down again. I see him over there. All right.
This is what I do at work. Clear, drone up.
I always do connectivity tests when I get it up, so I'll just do a couple little.
Oh my god.
So for you, this is going to be wonky, but I'm going to bring it in a little bit. Is it weird seeing yourself? I'm going to bring the camera down a little bit.
Oh my god.
As I blow the camp away. So this is just normal mode. If I go, I'll back it up quite a bit, and then I'll come in and do sport. And it's pretty quick. So now I'm going to switch into sport mode.
Ooh. I'm just standing dangerously close to this saguaro.
I was just gonna say you might want to be careful.
We thought we would take a very long walk. We came all the way to the back area of the RTR, and got a bunch of schoolies over here. And there's just people way back here. RTR is actually that way, the actual grounds. This might be part of it too, I don't know. I don't think so. I think it's just way past the RTR area. But it's pretty cool. There's just so many unique vehicles out here. It's fun looking at them all. Everybody has so many different ideas on how to set up their unique little homes. That's what I found very interesting about coming here. I mean, there's people in tents even.
There's a current.
No.
Uh-oh.
I knew that was gonna happen.